Are you tired of headaches ruining your day? Discover 8 natural remedies that can bring you relief without any medication. First, consider hydration. Dehydration can often cause headaches, so ensuring you drink plenty of water throughout the day can be a simple yet effective solution. Next on the list is peppermint oil. This aromatic oil has been praised for its calming and numbing properties. By applying a few drops on your temples, you can experience a soothing effect that may help reduce the severity of your headache. Thirdly, there's ginger tea. Renowned as a natural anti-inflammatory, ginger can help to alleviate the symptoms of a headache. A warm cup of ginger tea may be just what you need to soothe your pain. The fourth remedy is getting adequate sleep. Lack of sleep can trigger tension headaches, so ensuring you have a good night's sleep can be a proactive measure in preventing headaches. Moving on to the fifth remedy, yoga and meditation. These practices are known to reduce stress and tension, two common culprits behind headaches. A few minutes of deep breathing or gentle yoga can help keep those headaches at bay. The sixth remedy involves magnesium-rich foods. Foods like almonds and spinach can be incorporated into your diet to help prevent migraines, a severe form of headache. Seventh is acupressure. This ancient technique involves applying pressure to specific points on the body to relieve pain, including headache pain. Finally, try using a cold compress. Applying a cold pack to your forehead can help reduce inflammation, thereby relieving headache pain. So there you have it, 8 natural remedies to help manage your headaches. Hydration, peppermint oil, ginger tea, adequate sleep, yoga and meditation, magnesium-rich foods, acupressure, and a cold compress. Remember, these remedies can be a great first step in managing your headaches. Give them a try and see what works for you. Don't forget to subscribe to 8 Tips for more useful tips, tricks, and life hacks. Make your life easier, one tip at a time.